This course is for anyone who wants to achieve better outcomes in a whole range of relationships. It will help you successfully settle those difficult interactions that just won't resolve themselves.
You know what, I think this is just box ticking. You want to get rid of people, but you're covering up with this whole reapply for your own job thing. Just tell me now, am I in or am I out?
You'll learn to handle apparently impossible situations where people just won't cooperate.
I just want to be clear about what I'm doing, that's all.
You're supposed to be doing the job we pay you to do. Not much to ask, is it?
Ranting bosses, ineffectual co-workers, over-demanding customers, rude or aggressive patients or members of the public.
Get me a room right now! No! Don't you dare when we're working! How many times have I told you?
And it isn't limited to the workplace. If you ever find yourself struggling in a personal relationship, there's help here too.
Snide little comments, trying to take credit for things I've done.
This course shows you how to identify different types of difficult people, to recognise the clues to the patterns in their behaviour, and most importantly, what to do about them.
This is absolutely bloody ridiculous.
Please don't swear at me, Mrs. Kusamana. I'm trying to help you.
This course is about helping you handle difficult behaviour calmly and with confidence.
Where's the manager?
You're welcome to speak to the manager when she's out of her meeting, but would you like me to see what I can do to help first?
And in a respectful and dignified manner that gives you the best chances of getting the results you want.
Thanks. Pleasure.
Sign up now, start learning right away, and watch your confidence and your effectiveness in tackling those difficult people just grow.